Hello, my name is Kevin Muridi. I am 25 years old and I am from Kenya. I graduated in 2021 with a degree in statistics, and since then I have had a desire to expand my knowledge on statistics, and more so on the line of artificial intelligence and data science. While I was perusing through LinkedIn, I came across Sankiana consultancy services, and they were offering certain levels of scholarships to people who are interested in taking data science, and therefore I applied. A short interview, I received 70% scholarship, and the rest of the money I was to cater for myself. So I joined Sankiana in November, and I have been a student there taking data science with Python since November, and I am due to finish in March. My trainer's name is Tapashwani Nayak, and she has been amazing throughout the journey. She has been quite responsive to my questions, to my other classmates' concerns, and I enjoyed Sankyam. It is a great place to learn, especially because it is very, very convenient, and it is very, very affordable. I would recommend anybody who would want to expand their education, especially in matters technology and data analysis and data science. Sankyana is the best place